Caterpillar 988B. The Caterpillar 988B is a powerful wheel loader designed for heavy-duty operations in construction and mining. Introduced in 1987, it is a reliable asset for material handling and loading tasks. It is powered by a Caterpillar 3408 turbocharged diesel engine, producing a total of 375 horsepower. The 988B has a full bucket capacity of 7 cubic yards 5.4 cubic meters, making it suitable for handling large volumes of material. It provides up to 80,100 pounds, 36,333 kilograms of braking force, allowing for efficient digging and loading operations. Length with bucket on the ground, 34.09 feet. Width over tires, 11.55 feet. Height to top of cab, 13.51 feet. Ground clearance, 1.56 feet. Operating weight approximately 43.37 tons, contributing to stability during operation. The 988B's design includes a simplified Z-bar loader linkage and lift arm, allowing for faster and fuller bucket loading. Its PowerShift planetary transmission has for forward and for reverse gears, with speeds up to 20.5 miles per hour forward and 25.7 miles per hour reverse. This wheel loader is commonly used in mining, quarrying, and large-scale construction projects, where its power and capacity help improve productivity. Aqua cutter. Aqua cutter is a hydro demolition machine manufactured by Aqua Systems, using extremely high-pressure water jets to demolish concrete without damaging the steel reinforcement. This technology is widely used in construction, repair of bridges and roads, underground works, and heavy industry. Using water jets with pressure up to 40,000 psi to break concrete does not cause vibration, helping to protect surrounding structures. Keeps the steel reinforcement intact, does not deform or weaken the steel bars. Automatic robot control system helps increase accuracy and reduce manual labor. Aqua cutter is a modern, safe, and effective concrete demolition solution. With the ability to cut concrete accurately without damaging the steel reinforcement or causing vibration, Aqua cutter is the ideal choice for projects requiring high precision and structural protection. Sennebogen 355E. The Sennebogen 355E is a versatile telehandler designed to combine the power of a wheel loader with the versatility of a boom lift, suitable for heavy-duty applications in the recycling, industrial, and material handling industries. Combining the lifting capacity of a boom lift with the powerful thrust of a wheel loader, it enables efficient handling of heavy materials. Allows the operator to adjust the cabin height for a comprehensive 360 view, enhancing safety and work efficiency. Increased breakout force of up to 85 kilonewtons, ideal for tasks such as heavy material handling or high piles. Small turning radius of less than 4.5 meters, suitable for limited working spaces.
Logging truck. Logging trucks are heavy-duty vehicles, specially designed to transport large quantities of logs from forests to processing facilities, such as sawmills or paper mills. Designed to withstand rough terrain and heavy loads in logging operations. Bucyrus RH400. Bucyrus RH400 is one of the largest hydraulic excavators in the world, with a total weight of up to 980 tons. Equipped with 2 diesel engines with a total capacity of about 5,920 horsepower. with a bucket capacity of up to 94 tons, allowing for excavating a large volume of material in just one operation.
Valtra A124. The Valtra A124 is a powerful utility tractor from Valtra's A series, renowned for its reliability and efficiency in a wide range of agricultural tasks. Powered by a 4.4-liter, 4-cylinder AGCO-powered diesel engine, the A124 produces 117 horsepower 87.2 kilowatts and 370 pounds ft 509.9 newton-meters of torque at 1,500 revolutions per minute. It has a 12-speed forward and 12-speed reverse transmission with an electro-hydraulic drive system, allowing for smooth directional changes. The open center hydraulic system provides a pump flow of 25.9 gallons per minute, 98.0 liters per minute, ensuring efficient operation of the equipment. Wheelbase 98.4 inches, weight approximately 9,921 pounds. The common rail fuel injection system allows for high torque at low RPM, reducing fuel consumption. The Valtra A124 stands out with its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly features, making it a valuable asset for a variety of agricultural operations.
Hitachi ZX870LC-6. Hitachi ZX870LC-6 is a large crawler excavator, equipped with a high-performance Isuzu engine, with a capacity of about 512 horsepower. The machine has an operating weight of about 84 to 87 tons, suitable for large-scale excavation, rock shoveling, and mining work. Kobelco Demolition Machine. Specially designed for demolition work, providing greater stability, strength, and durability. It is equipped to handle the pressures of structural demolition. Equipped with a powerful motor, providing high power, it has a long arm, which is ideal for reaching higher points in buildings or structures that need to be demolished.
Titan Leaf Solutions. Titan Leaf Solutions is a company specializing in providing high-performance leaf collection equipment for urban areas, parks, and environmental sanitation works. Titan Leaf products help optimize leaf collection, saving time and effort for urban sanitation teams. Powerful capacity, quick leaf suction, large suction pipe diameter, suitable for both dry and wet leaves. Can be attached to trucks or specialized vehicles to increase productivity. Large container helps collect many leaves at the same time. Smart design helps reduce operating costs. Increase urban sanitation efficiency. Limit the situation of leaves clogging drains. Shred leaves before collection. Reduce storage volume. Help trucks carry more. Reduce the number of times to empty the trash. Titan Leaf Solutions is a great choice for cities, parks, and businesses that need an effective, fast, and cost-effective leaf collection solution. Cifa K42E. Cifa K42E is a fully electric truck-mounted concrete pump, part of the Cifa Energy series. Boom length 42 meters, consisting of 5 sections, of which the last 2 sections are made of carbon fiber to reduce weight while ensuring durability and stability. Pumping capacity 160 cubic meters per hour at 80 bars pressure. Equipped with Terexroth electric motors, one for the hydraulic system and one for the pumping unit. Uses a 30Ah lithium-ion battery. Can be charged by 3-phase power on site or by using the truck's PTO in an emergency. Zero CO emissions, suitable for urban areas. This is a breakthrough in the construction industry, combining high performance with environmentally friendly technology.
Sandvik LH621i loader. Sandvik LH621i is a heavy-duty underground excavator from Sandvik Smart product line. Equipped with a powerful Tier 4F engine, the machine has a payload of up to 21 tons, allowing for the excavation and transportation of large volumes of ore or minerals in harsh underground environments. Berky waterway cleaning machine. Specialized equipment designed to manage and maintain the cleanliness of water bodies, such as rivers, lakes, and canals. It is used to remove rubbish, plants, and pollutants from waterways, ensuring they remain clean, movable, and protecting aquatic ecosystems. Berky is equipped with powerful suction and dredging systems to handle a wide range of rubbish, aquatic plants, and sludge. It can clean both shallow and deep water areas.
CM Shredders. CM Shredders is one of the world's leading brands of industrial shredders and waste recycling systems. The company specializes in manufacturing lines of tire, plastic, metal, wood, and waste shredders, helping to reduce the size of materials for easy handling or recycling. Shred large materials such as tires, metal, wood. High capacity, suitable for large-scale recycling plants. Create super small rubber granules, optimal for the production of new materials. Output size can be adjusted, combining multiple cutting technologies to optimize performance. Durable design, continuous operation 24/7. CM Shredders is the top choice for businesses that need high capacity, energy-saving, and durable shredders. If you are looking for a professional shredding and recycling solution, CM Shredders is a trusted brand. Valmet 830. The Valmet 830.1 is a log hauler designed for efficient timber transport in forestry operations. Manufactured from 2002 to 2009, it is recognized for its reliability and performance. Operating weight, approximately 12.8 tons. Equipped with a Valmet CRF5 crane, providing a lifting torque of 93 kilonewtons. Net load capacity is 9 tons. Length 8.12 meters. Width 2.6 meters. Height 3.5 to 6 meters. The 8-wheel configuration of the Valmet 830.1 enhances stability and maneuverability, making it suitable for a variety of terrains in forestry operations. Equipped with 8 wheels, enhancing stability and maneuverability on a variety of terrains. The Valmet 830 series forklifts are known for their robust and efficient design, making them suitable for a variety of forestry applications. Candela P-12. The Candela P-12 is the world's first hydrofoil electric ferry, designed to revolutionize urban water transport by combining high speed, superior energy efficiency, of a smooth passenger experience. The Candela P-12 uses hydrofoil technology, with underwater fins that lift the hull out of the water at speeds of around 16 knots. This reduces drag, saves up to 80% of energy compared to traditional boats, and allows for faster travel without creating large waves, making it suitable for urban areas. The flight control system automatically adjusts the hydrofoils to ensure a smooth and stable ride, even in rough sea conditions.
Sandvik DD212. The Sandvik DD212 is a powerful and versatile underground drill designed for use in mining and tunneling applications. It is suitable for a wide range of underground drilling applications, including production drilling, development drilling, and ground support drilling. It is versatile enough to adapt to different geological conditions and drilling requirements.
Hemos 1600ST. The Hemos 1600 Saint is a ditch cleaner designed to efficiently remove vegetation and debris from water-filled ditches. Manufactured by Hemos Maschinenbau, the machine uses star rollers that the water passes through, preventing water buildup during cleaning. The star rollers are specially designed to work effectively in water environments, ensuring a continuous flow of water during cleaning. The 1600 Saint operates at right angles, providing precise and thorough cleaning along the edge of the ditch. Equipped with a 3-point hook connector, it can be easily mounted to a compatible tractor or machine. The working width is hydraulically adjustable from 60 to 120 centimeters, allowing flexibility based on ditch size and cleaning requirements. Hydraulic directional valves allow controlled discharge of waste, either scattered on the ground or deposited at the top of the embankment. The working width cylinder has a 180 pivot, allowing the star rollers to rotate backwards during transport, enhancing mobility and safety. Terra Select T6. The Terra Select T6 is a high-performance mobile trommel screening machine from Eggersman, engineered for demanding applications such as compost, biomass, soil, wood, household waste, and construction debris. Its robust design and advanced features make it a top-tier solution for large-scale screening operations. Quick trommel change facilitates easy swapping of screening drums for different materials. Automatically adjust the feed rate to prevent overloading. Extended conveyor belts, optional extra long fines, and oversized belts increase material pile volume by up to 80%. Track chassis can adjust for inclines up to 7%, ensuring stable operation on uneven terrain.
Sigma F3140. Manufactured by Sigma, a well-known brand in the field of agricultural equipment. This machine is designed to meet the needs of mowing, collecting garbage, and cleaning large areas. The machine is equipped with a collection system, which makes harvesting and removing them easy. The collection bin has a large capacity, minimizing the time to stop to empty the garbage.
Woo! JCB Telehandler. JCB forklifts, also known as Lodal, JCB is a leading forklift manufacturer, offering a wide range of models suitable for construction, agricultural, and industrial applications. From compact models with a lifting capacity of 1,400 kilograms to heavy-duty models with a lifting capacity of up to 5,500 kilograms. From 4 meters to 20 meters, suitable for a variety of operating needs. Models are equipped with engines with outputs ranging from 74 horsepower to 125 horsepower, ensuring optimal performance. Features such as regenerative hydraulics and electro-servo controls ensure efficient operation. Spacious cabin with intuitive controls, providing excellent visibility and reducing operator fatigue.
Bye bye!